right, well, we're up here at friggin' Buc-ee's. Let me turn the AC down a skosh. I got one of these burritos. These chicken burritos up here are friggin' delicious for you Alpha Gale folk. I can eat it. It's got a little bit of cheese on it, but cheese doesn't seem to be affecting me a whole bunch. But man, we're gonna get into this. We're going arguably to the biggest tournament in the country that I'm aware of as far as people. It's said that there's, you know, could be nearly 3,000 people up here. That's a lot. It's a huge lake, but it does feel crowded at times. Coves will be packed. Etiquette's out the frickin' window. Nobody, I shouldn't say nobody. There's people that care. I care. But for the most part, the majority of the people don't, they'll cut you right off. That being said, it's going to be very nice. It's going to be in the mid-80s. There'll be pleasure boats. There'll be all kinds of people. It's a hell of a burrito. I think we're going to get moving, though. This place is huge. I was on gas pump number 218. That's how many pumps there are. I think there's like 230 something. All right, everybody, welcome back. We're back at the famous Quail's Nest. Now, I've never stayed in this side of the Quail's Nest, but the wall sconces are fascinating. Fairly certain that's supposed to go on the ceiling, but we're not gonna really complain too much. There's another one over there. What? Okay, now you guys know the history at the Quail's Nest, so I'm just kind of gonna check the place out, okay? Not a lot of hiding places in this one. We're gonna start moving pictures. Okay, we don't have anything in the pictures. What about under the mattresses? No, it looks pretty fresh. I think we're okay this time. I think it's really gonna be nice. But anyway, I got my stuff in here, some bags and etc. And I'm gonna run down to PB2 and register and meet up with some people, say hi. And we are gonna go from there. But it's not bad accommodations this time. I gotta find my keys. There's my keys. That's not helping. But the parking situation I like. My boat is right outside. We got her covered up. She's already plugged in. She should be charged and ready to rock. But we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna run down PB2, register, and have dinner. Peace. All right, well, I just pulled into the driveway. What a long day. It's 6:30 Sunday night. I had a great day today. Sunday fishing. Yesterday was brutal. It was fun. I had a great time, but only managed a couple little bass and a catfish. Yep. It's a 5-pound catfish. Lots of bites, lots of blow-ups. Oh! I fished a totally new part of the lake I'd never been to. Basically up the river towards Truman Lake. Anyway, it was a nice change, but Sunday I reverted back to more familiar area around PB2 that I've been to a few times, and it was good. I got one like the first 9 minutes. We got one on the orange spook, you guys. Oh my God. He's little. So we're gonna I'm gonna put him in the live well and we're gonna watch. Man, they don't friggin' bite it here, you guys. That's friggin' nuts. That thing just came and like slurped it. It didn't like attack it. I believe we have a discrepancy with my scale. We're gonna have to talk about that at a different time, but what I weighed on that scale and what their scale said was very different. And so I'm a little confused, but I'll figure it out. But I continued to catch fish all day long. I'm catching them today. This is a lot better than yesterday. How big are you? This one's way bigger. That's a good fish. Who's bigger? I don't know. Except about the last hour, I had blow-ups. I had blow-ups all day. I shouldn't say that. I had one right towards the end. It was little, but it was... Why do you little guys want to bite? I need big girls. There we go. There's a 3-pounder. Blow up. Anyway, I would have had a 5-fish limit of 2-pound 3 to 2-pound 7-ounce bass. I caught a bunch of those. They all looked the same. They were clones. But nonetheless, it was fun to catch them. Of course, no, I did not cash a check. A lot of thousands of other people didn't either. So I had fun, and that's the takeaway. I learned a lot this trip. These are the fish catches from the Big Bass Bash of 2025, April 3rd and 4th, or 4th and 5th, I think. What does it say? Doesn't say on the hat. But it was, yeah, April 4th and 5th, 2025. That was my day at the Big Bass Bash, and I had a great time. I'd love to do it with somebody, a partner. I was hoping my buddy Brian could do it, but he couldn't get away. But maybe next year. Anyway, thank you guys so much for all your encouragement and your kind words while I was out there. I appreciate it all, and I appreciate every one of you. Have a great night, and thank you very much for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you real soon.